Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some powerful Indeed job search hacks that will help you find the opportunities much faster in 2026. Now, Indeed has changed a lot this year, like new filters, smarter recommendations, hidden employers insights, and improved resume tools. So, in this walkthrough, I will show you how to use the updated features properly, how to make your profile rank higher, and how to apply in a way that gets real responses. So by the end of this video, your job search will become a lot faster and far more targeted. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your Indeed application, then simply sign up with the help of your email address if you haven't already. If you already have an account, you just have to log in into it. Now this is going to be the home page of Indeed. So the first thing that you need to do here is to build a high visibility profile. So tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the three lines on the top right hand corner. Now go to the settings of your device. In the settings, you just have to look for the option of resume. In some Indeed applications, you are also going to see the resume option here when you tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. So here you just have to tap on your CV, and here you need to make the visibility of it as public. Now in 2026, recruiters use Indeed's AI matching system, and the hidden resumes don't get shown to the employers. So you need to first of all upload a clean and text-based resume. It should not be a graphic or PDF with heavy designs. Afterwards, you need to add your job title as a keyword in your headline. For example, it can be like customer support specialist and have 3 years of experience. So this thing actually help Indeed rank your profile higher in recruiter searches. Now, in this step 2, Indeed added new filters this year that helps you skip the irrelevant jobs. So here, when you come on the home page, when you use the search bar here on the top, you are going to see some of the built-in keywords, like whether you are looking for the warehouses cleaner or work from home jobs or receptionist. So you just have to select the type of job that you are looking for. After doing so, it is going to show you bunch of different filters option here on the top, like we have the job category, the company, the job type, the education, industry. You can also tap on this filters icon, and here you can just scroll down and take a look at the filters. In the filters, you will see some of the important filters like experience level, the remote or hybrid or the on-site job, the salary range, and the skill required. You can also filter it out with the help of the job type. So if your field is crowded, you can turn on the actively hiring filter, which is going to remove any kind of outdated listings where the employers stopped reviewing the applications. So you will instantly save the time and avoid applying to the dead postings. Now you can also use Boolean search to find the hidden jobs. So this is one of the most effective hacks for 2026. Instead of typing the keywords here in the search bar, you can use Boolean operators like and, or, and the quotation marks. For example, if you are looking for the jobs for the data analysts, for example, so instead of typing data analytics right away, you can just first of all use this particular integers. After that, you can type the data analyst. After that, simply use Boolean, which is and, or any kind of quotations, and then you just have to simply look for entry level. So basically you are searching for the data analyst job for entry level. So after typing this particular format here, simply click on the option of search. Now once you hit search, if it is showing you the job lists, it is well and good, but if it is not showing you, you just have to make sure that you have added the right information. As you can see, while typing I made some mistakes. So basically you need to use the booleans operators in order to find the jobs. This pulls jobs that don't appear in the normal searches. This is one of the easiest ways to find the postings other job seekers miss. Now you can also check the employer's response rate. Indeed now shows a small line under the job listing that says employer respond within X days. So here it is also going to show you whether the employer responds rarely. Always you need to prioritize the job with the higher response rates. This means the employers actively check the applications and move faster. Skipping the companies that rarely reply will save you hours of wasting efforts and help you focus on the opportunities where you actually have a chance. Now, in the next step, you need to optimize your resume for the Indeed's ATs. So here, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on the option of upload resume or build an Indeed CV. Now, in order to improve your resume, Indeed's 2026 ATS tools scans your resume and shows you which skills are basically missing for your target roles. You can add the relevant skills like you can add Excel, CRM tools, customer supports, or project tracking software. So the more skills you match, the higher your resume appears in employer's search. So this one hack alone increases the interview calls dramatically. So with the help of these few searching hacks, you will be able to find the jobs on Indeed very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.